In this video we will discuss cross-site scripting. Cross-site scripting occurs when an attacker tricks a web application into sending data in a form that a user's browser can execute. Most commonly, this is a combination of HTML and cross-site scripting provided by the attacker, but cross-site scripting can also be used to deliver malicious downloads, plugins, or media content. An attacker is able to trick a web application this way when the web application permits data from an untrusted source, such as data entered in a form by users or passed to an API endpoint by client software, to be displayed to users without being properly escaped. Because cross-site scripting can allow untrusted users to execute code in the browser of trusted users and access some types of data, such as session cookies. In cross-site scripting, vulnerability may allow an attacker to take data from users and dynamically include it in web pages and take control of a site or an application if an administrative or a privileged user is targeted. Malicious content delivered through cross-site scripting may be displayed instantly or every time a page is loaded or a specific event is performed. Cross-site scripting attacks aim to target the users of a web application, and they may be particularly effective because they appear within a trusted site. Impact of cross-site scripting. When attackers succeed in exploiting cross-site scripting vulnerabilities, they can gain access to account credentials. They can also spread web worms or access the user's computer and view the user's browser history or control the browser remotely. After gaining control to the victim's system, attackers can also analyze and use other Internet applications. By exploiting cross-site scripting vulnerabilities, an attacker can perform malicious actions such as hijack an account, spread web worms, access browser history and clipboard contents, control the browser remotely, scan and exploit Internet appliances and applications.